In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up an employee onboarding process on Monday.com so you can streamline hiring, automate tasks, and make sure nothing falls through the cracks. Whether you're managing a small team or scaling a fast-growing company, having a structured onboarding workflow inside Monday.com will save you time and keep everyone aligned. Make sure to watch until the end because I'll also show you how to automate deadlines and collect employee information using forms. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical Monday.com tutorials. Let's get started. The first step is to create your onboarding board. Inside Monday.com, click on the plus icon in the left sidebar and select New Board. Choose whether you want it to be main, private, or shareable, depending on your HR structure, then name it Employee Onboarding. Once your board is created, organize it using groups to represent different onboarding stages. For example, create groups called Pre-Hire, First Week, and First Month. This structure allows you to visually track where each new employee is in the process and keeps your workflow clean and organized. Next, let's add the essential columns that will power your onboarding system. Start by adding a People column so you can assign responsibility to HR team members or direct managers. Then add a Status column to track progress. You can customize the labels to something like Not Started, In Progress, Waiting on Employee, and Done. After that, add a Date column to set deadlines for important onboarding milestones, such as document submission or training completion. You'll also want a Text column for notes, which is perfect for capturing specific instructions or comments. Finally, add a Files column so you can upload contracts, identification documents, policy PDFs, or any other important paperwork directly inside the board. With these columns in place, your onboarding workflow becomes centralized and easy to manage. Now, let's break tasks down further using subitems. Click on any item, such as a new employee's name, and select Add Subitems. This allows you to create a checklist of onboarding steps under each employee. For example, you can add subitems like account setup, welcome email, equipment preparation, benefits enrollment, and policy training. Subitems are extremely useful because they give you detailed visibility into each stage of onboarding without cluttering your main board view. Managers can update individual steps while HR maintains oversight of the entire process. To make your workflow even more powerful, set up automations. Click on Automations at the top of your board and select Add New Automation. You can choose from pre-built recipes or create a custom one. For example, set up an automation that says, when an item is created, automatically set the due date to 7 days after creation. This ensures every new onboarding task immediately has a deadline, keeping your process consistent and reducing manual work. Finally, add an onboarding form to collect employee information efficiently. Open your board and click on Forms. Create a form that includes fields like employee name, role, department, start date, and any required documentation details. Once the form is shared and submitted, Monday.com will automatically create a new item in your employee onboarding board with all the provided information. This is perfect for HR teams who want a standardized intake process without back-and-forth emails. And that's it. You now have a fully structured employee onboarding system inside Monday.com, complete with stages, task assignments, subitems, automations, and a submission form. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more step-by-step Monday.com guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.